Hello everyone, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create or add a new Google account on your Android phone. So guys, let's get started. What you need to do guys, your phone needs to be connected to internet. And once you are connected, you need just to go to settings. So let's go to settings. Then once you're on settings, scroll down to accounts. Right here, just tap on accounts. If you already have one Google account on your Android phone and you want to add another one, so in my case I don't have any Google account on my phone, so you need to tap on plus icon or add account. Then on these options you need to tap on Google and wait for it to load. So once you're here, if you already have a Google account, you can go ahead and type it inside here, and then next step you will provide your password. But for a new Google account, you need to tap on create account. Then on these three options, tap on myself. Then here you'll be asked to provide your first and last name, so just go ahead and provide your name. Just like that. Then after that, just tap on next. Then on basic information, you need to provide your birthday and gender, so just go ahead and provide your birthday and gender. So on gender here, you can choose to between female and male, or rather not to say, it depends with you. Then tap on next. Then here you'll be asked to pick a Gmail account or create your own, so you'll be given an option. So if you are okay with the option that are provided here, just go ahead and click on one. So I'm comfortable with the second one. So but if you're not comfortable with them, you can just create your own Gmail address. So then tap on next, and here you'll be asked to create your password, so just go ahead and create your password. So after that, now tap on next. See, then here you'll be asked to add your phone number. You can add it here, but if you don't want to add phone number, tap on skip. And next here you will see your new email address. Then tap on next. The privacy and terms, just scroll down and tap on I agree. Then on Google services, scroll down, tap on accept to confirm your selection of these services, and now your new Google account will be created. So guys, that's how you can create a new Google account on any Android phone. So thank you so much for watching. If you found it useful, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.